walking around my room last night? Can you light that up?
I hear footsteps. Did y'all hear that? It might be the washer though. Pretty sure it wasn't.
And did you wake me up around 3 o'clock this morning?
What?
Yeah.
No, it sounded like something in the kitchen.
Are you still up there in the corner? Yeah. Okay. Are you afraid of us? You are? We're not gonna hurt you. Do you think we're gonna hurt you? Are you just trying to avoid us?
Do you want me to leave? If you want me to leave, you gotta let me know through one of these devices. I can go back downstairs. Yeah? Alright, I'm going. I'm going right now. Oh shit, if I don't fall.
Yeah, just be careful.
Oh, did you think that's funny?
No.
No,
See that?
careful.
Yeah, I seen that. That whole fucking light turned purple.
Yeah, it came right down the stairs right before you did.
It said go downstairs. It showed me where to go.
Is that better?
Do you feel better now that I'm down here and not up there? How come you don't like me up there?
Because girls are icky.
Are you a boy?
If you're a boy, can you light that light up? Are you female? Okay.
Are you a male? Are you non-human? Are you ignoring me?
Yeah, they don't want to talk to you. They don't want to, but they are.
Would you rather talk to me or a female? Let me rephrase that. That's too many questions at once. I apologize. I'm drunk. Would you rather talk to me? Would you rather talk to a female?
I'd rather not talk to anybody. I think that's what I was telling you there.
You don't want to talk to any of us? Was that the washing machine?
I think so, yeah.
Maybe it stopped.
Here, I'll do it this way. Would you like to talk to Monica? What about Steve? What about Lindsay? How about me? What about Matt? Matt? You want to talk to Matt? Yeah?
Maybe I think you need to talk to him.
Go ahead, Matt.
Hello. Can you tell me your name? Can you come down here and talk to us?
Was that a yes or a no? Make that thing go off 1 time for yes and 2 times for no. Can you do that? Do you want to come down here and talk to us?
You're not mad.
Yeah. I think this is all on you.
So Matt, the best way to do it is just ask yes or no questions. So yes would be it, they light it up. No, they won't light it up.
So we have a prism for that.
Where's that at?
I don't know. That's what I'm wondering.
Is
I
that
don't-
our doorway?
I don't know where it's coming
I
from.
think it's Lindsay's.
It had to be the temperature though, because it didn't change
It
colors.
didn't light up though.
No.
Yeah.
Are you afraid to come downstairs? Can you light that up? If you're afraid to come downstairs? I promise we're not gonna hurt you.
I might.
Donnie might. But he's a big teddy bear. As far as I know.
Regardless of what he leads you to think.
Just don't think you're gonna come to bed with me.
You can go to bed with them. It's okay.
No, it's not.
You just can't go home with them.
Can you come down here so we can ask you some questions? Or would you rather me come upstairs?
That's a good idea.
Do you want me to come upstairs?
Yeah.
There's 2. No.
Oh, really?
They like that idea.
Yeah.
Whoever's here really likes you.
Flashlight.
Yes, we need the flashlight.
You want me to go with you?
I'm fine.
Here, baby, there's a bunch of steps up there, so you gotta be careful.
They got
Like, even after you get up there.
If you fall over that ledge, ain't nothing catching you.
Alright, I'm coming upstairs.
Right?
I'll push the
There's
chair over.
there's a step in front of every room.
Alright, I'm right here.
I say just sit down on them steps and
Yeah.
talk.
Yeah.
Ask him to come sit beside you.
Can you come over here and sit beside me? Or I'll scoot over for you.
Can you go communicate with Matt?
I promise I won't bite.
Not hard anyway.
Can you come sit beside me? Talk to me?
Hey, Ashley.
Yeah.
Take this. Make sure it works.
Oh, we got one of those too if that one don't work. Alright.
If I put my hand out here, can you touch me? Can you touch my hand? Whoa!
It's me. Sorry.
Shit!
I brought you something. I'm just gonna set that right there.
Sir.
It's right beside you.
That's worth a shot.
That's the best activity we got all night. Shoot! See what I mean about them steps? You gotta be careful.
I have all this energy built up. Can you come sit beside me and talk to me?
Yeah, they can.
Thank you.
They're right beside you. Yeah.
So Matt, ask them if they know you.
Do you know who I am? You know who I am?
How do you know who he is? Well, that might be a complicated question.
Ask if they are a family member. You already know who this is, don't you?
Uh-oh. By
Are
that
you
sign, I think.
related to me?
They are not.
You just like him being here? Does he make you feel comfortable?
Ask if they came with you.
Did you come here with me?
So no. That's what stop.
Oh, it went off.
Can you make that go off if me and you grew up together? Can you tell me if your name starts with the letter A? Can you make one of these devices go off if your name starts with the letter A?
Ask if they followed you from a location.
Did you follow me from another location?
There it is.
They already knew before you asked. What location?
We gotta get specific.
We don't have I don't have a recorder.
What's the last few places you've been? Let's start with the last one. Ask
The
if-
Ross Opera House.
Ross was the last one. Ask if they followed you from Ross.
I
Or
don't
the
think they
Benton
did.
Farmhouse. That's the last two we've been to.
Oh yeah, that and Benton
Ask for
Farmhouse.
It's Benton.
Benton.
It's been.
Are you from Benton Farmhouse?
Did
Are you
follow
here
me-
from Kentucky?
Did you follow me from the Benton Farmhouse?
Yeah, I know I'm talking. It's not going to communicate with me.
You lit up when he said Benton. Are you from Benton? You are.
Have you been following him this whole time? It's been months since we've been to Benton. Yeah? Huh.
That's got really freaking cold.
You're not around that rampart, are you?
No.
Is that on the step?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you come on the other side of me over here? By the stairs? You made this device go off over here a minute ago. Can you make it go off again for me?
What was it?
Can you
I
come
don't-
on the
something
left
in
side of me
there.
over here?
Just boom. I heard it.
I'm trying to think who would be from Benton.
I don't know. I had a crazy experience at Benton. So.
I love Benton. Well, it was alright.
Grandfather? Grandfather, grandmother.
I don't know. If you remember, I had to step up front and block out everything. In the attic.
You like hanging out with Matt?
And then when the basement.
Yeah?
You said I glowed.
Oh shit.
That was the old man.
They like you a lot.
That's what I'm saying. I had those two different experiences. at
Can
Benton.
you come a little closer to me?
Tell it to stop. Thank you.
Can you come sit next to me?
I didn't like that.
They didn't or they
They
did?
did not.
Because I kind of feel like they did.
Would you like me to go back downstairs now?
Because he would really like to.
Right.
No, you like me being up here?
We're going to try to narrow this down, see who followed you from Benton. Ask if it's the grandfather from Benton.
Are you the grandfather from the Benton farmhouse?
It's not.
Mm-mm. Shit, sorry guys. I dropped my phone. It ain't like I've been drinking or anything.
What about the grandmother?
What about the grandmother?
Are you a child?
Ask if it's a young man.
Are you a younger man? I need to know a little bit more about you. See, any of you guys just make a noise like that?
Steve did.
Okay.
Is he snoring? Look, it's. I think they agreed with that. Steve did
You
thing.
wake up. I take breaks and go pee and smoke. Do it.